Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11T Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you, for instance, don't know. And I'll quickly lock my device just so you can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know the pattern. So to get started, you will want to hold the power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, you will then want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, you can let go of those two keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. And there we go. So once you see the recovery mode, you will need to use a volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe data. So one press of volume down will scroll down, then use power key to confirm that and select wipe all data, then confirm, and there we go, data wipe successful. So press power key once again and again and again, and this will initiate a reboot and also continue the process in the background. So the device will do whatever it's doing in terms of the factory resetting it, and once it's finished doing it, it will boot up into the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.